How to hide profile picture on WhatsApp. So let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your device. Here, tap onto the three dots in the top right corner. Now tap the setting option. From here, go to the privacy. In privacy settings, select profile photo. Choose the option that suits you best. In everyone, anyone can see your profile picture. In My Contact, only your saved contact can see it. In My Contact Accept, it hides the profile from your selected contact. In Nobody, it completely hides your profile picture from everyone. Here, choose the option that suits you the best. And that's it. You have successfully hidden your WhatsApp profile picture. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.